Welcome to the Incident Management series. In this video, we're exploring Incident Knowledge Base and how to build a searchable solution repository. An incident knowledge base is a centralized collection of documented incidents, their root causes, resolutions, and lessons learned. This repository becomes your organization's institutional memory, helping teams resolve future similar incidents faster and prevent recurrence. Throughout this video, we'll cover what makes an effective knowledge base, how to structure it, and how to integrate it with your incident management workflow. An incident knowledge base is a centralized repository where you document past incidents, their root causes, resolutions, and lessons learned for faster future incident response. The core purpose is threefold. First, reduce mean time to resolution, or MTTR, by enabling teams to find solutions quickly. Second, enable searchable solutions for similar issues so teams don't reinvestigate problems they've already solved. Third, preserve institutional knowledge so that when team members leave, their insights remain in the organization. Building a knowledge base delivers measurable business value. First, faster resolution. Teams resolve incidents 40 to 60% faster by finding proven solutions without starting from scratch. Second, reduced recurrence. By documenting root causes and preventive measures, similar incidents drop by 30 to 50%. Third, knowledge transfer. New team members learn from historical incidents much faster, improving onboarding efficiency. Fourth, better decision-making. Data-driven insights from incident trends help you prioritize infrastructure and process improvements. These benefits compound over time as your knowledge base grows. Every effective knowledge base has four essential components. First, incident records. Structured documentation of each incident with metadata like ID, date, severity, affected system, and team. Second, root cause analysis. Detailed investigation findings and contributing factors explaining why the incident happened and what underlying issues existed. Third, resolution and workarounds. Step-by-step solutions that resolve the incident, including immediate fixes, long-term solutions, and preventive measures. Fourth, tagging and categorization. Metadata like service name, component, incident type, and custom keywords that make incidents easy to discover and filter. To create truly useful knowledge base entries, follow 6 key practices. Be clear and concise. Use simple language and avoid jargon, writing for someone new to the problem or your organization. Document immediately. Capture details while memory is fresh, not weeks later when accuracy suffers. Focus on why, not just what. Explain root causes and lessons learned rather than just reciting the incident timeline. Include references and links. Connect to runbooks, tickets, dashboards, and related incidents to improve discoverability. Add metrics and data. Include duration, impact, teams involved, and resolution time to enable trend analysis. Review and update regularly. Refine documentation as new information emerges to keep articles relevant and accurate. Organize your knowledge base using multiple categorization schemes. First, organize by service or system: API gateway, database, cache layer, message queue. Second, organize by incident type: outage for complete service down, degradation for slow responses and timeouts, data issues for corruption or loss, and security for breaches or vulnerabilities. Third, organize by root cause category: configuration errors, resource exhaustion like memory or disk space, dependency failures from external APIs or services, and code defects like bugs or race conditions. Using multiple overlapping categories makes incidents discoverable from different search angles. Make your knowledge base discoverable through 4 complementary search approaches. Full-text search lets engineers search by keywords across all content using tools like Elasticsearch or Algolia, with fuzzy matching for typos and relevance ranking. Faceted search lets you filter by service, severity, type, date, and custom tags, enabling drill-down discovery and guided exploration. Related incidents link similar incidents and patterns together through manual references or pattern matching algorithms to surface incident graphs. Artificial intelligence-powered suggestions use machine learning to recommend relevant knowledge articles based on semantic similarity and query understanding, improving over time from usage patterns. A well-structured incident record has 5 sections. Basic information includes a unique identifier, a brief searchable title, and the incident date. Classification includes severity level, incident type, and affected services. Impact and duration track how long the incident lasted and how many users were affected. Investigation and resolution capture the primary root cause, steps taken to resolve it, and how to prevent recurrence. Finally, metadata includes searchable tags and keywords plus references to similar or related incidents. This consistent structure makes data entry predictable and queries reliable. Building a knowledge base follows a 6-step process. Step 1, choose your storage platform. Wiki tools like Confluence or Notion, a database, Git-based systems, or specialized knowledge base tools. Step 2, define your schema and standards. Create incident record templates with mandatory fields and enumerated values. Step 3, migrate historical incidents. Retroactively document past incidents from incident tickets, reports, and chat logs. Step 4, implement search and indexing. Set up full-text search and faceted filtering using Elasticsearch, database indexes, or your platform's native search. Step 5, establish a documentation process. Create a runbook defining who documents, when, the review process, and any automation triggers. Step 6, integrate with incident management. Connect your knowledge base with your incident response workflow. Connect your knowledge base throughout the incident lifecycle. During incident detection, immediately search the knowledge base for similar incidents, auto-suggesting relevant runbooks and linking to known workarounds while notifying the on-call engineer. During investigation, enable teams to search the knowledge base while troubleshooting, providing quick references for error codes and shortcuts to common solutions to prevent duplicate troubleshooting. Post-incident, automatically create knowledge base entries from incident reports, pre-filling templates with incident data and capturing root cause and resolution. Over time, track recurring issues through analytics to identify systemic weaknesses, prioritize engineering efforts, and measure your knowledge base's impact on reducing mean time to resolution. Keeping your knowledge base current requires ongoing maintenance. Conduct regular reviews quarterly, auditing all entries for accuracy, removing outdated solutions, and deprecating old systems. Maintain links continuously during incident updates and refactoring as services evolve, runbooks change, and tools get replaced. Establish community ownership by assigning teams as knowledge base stewards for sections related to their services, creating accountability for accuracy. Review usage analytics monthly to track which articles are accessed most, identify documentation gaps, and highlight popular solutions. Manage tags biannually during system inventory reviews, keeping tags clean and consistent, archiving obsolete tags when services retire. Enforce quality standards for every entry, requiring template compliance, peer review, and adherence to writing guidelines before publication. Remember 4 key points. First, a knowledge base is the foundation for organizational learning, transforming incidents into valuable lessons and preventing recurrence. Second, it accelerates incident response. Teams resolve incidents faster by leveraging proven solutions and root cause analysis instead of starting from scratch. Third, it builds resilience. Structured documentation enables pattern recognition and systematic improvements to prevent future issues. Fourth, it creates measurable impact. You can track MTTR reduction, prevent recurring incidents, and quantify operational improvements in concrete numbers. Start building your knowledge base today by beginning with historical incidents, establishing documentation standards, and integrating it with your incident management workflow. Transform your incidents into institutional wisdom.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.